When you think of a desktop application, you probably think of it as a single unit. You open the app and do various things in it. On Android, it is slightly different. Rather than a single unit, it is better to think of an Android app as a collection of screens, or activity as they are called in Android. An activity is very similar to a web page. We can think of a website as a collection of web pages and an Android app as a collection of activities. Let's go through an example. Here, we are looking at the main page of the Twitter website. The equivalent in Android will be main activity. On the Twitter main page, we can click on an avatar to see the user profile. On Android, we can do the same. What happens in that click? On the web, you are sent to a different page as specified by the URL. On Android, you are sent to a different activity as specified by an intent. On the web, links are not restricted to a single website. Same for Android. In fact, Android intents are more powerful than web links because the receiving activity can send data back to the original activity. For instance, when we click on the photo icon on the Twitter app, we are sent to the Gallery app. We pick a photo in the Gallery app, which is then sent back to the Twitter app to be attached to a tweet. Activity is the basic building block in Android. Together with intents, different Android apps can work seamlessly with each other, making the system very powerful and extensible. With that, let's get set up to write our first Android app.